Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the autumn succulent earrings. Now today I'm going to be using some pieces from TierraCast's Renewal collection. I'm really excited to work with these. They're so beautiful and delicate, so let's go ahead and dive in and take a quick look at what we're going to be working with here. So we have these little succulent charms and these succulent earring posts, and they're just going to come together really beautifully, and you can add your own little bead to set off the center. Now what I love about these is they're really three-dimensional. They have a lot going on there, and they have some nice depth, and they're going to make beautiful little earrings. You could also, if you wanted to, add on a little necklace, and I think that would make a beautiful little set. So this is a really simple technique. All we're going to be doing is making a simple wire loop. So let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to be using our round nose pliers, our flush cutters, and our chain nose pliers for this project. So go ahead and pick up one of your eye pins here. Now, if you want to use a different bead, just ensure that the bead is going to slide easily over your eye pin, just like so. So now we have our eye pin and our bead. I'm using some beautiful little Czech glass, and you're probably already wondering why I'm using silver as opposed to copper. Well, the reason I wanted to do that is because you can see that this bead is so clear and so see-through. I was like, I don't want to put a dark, kind of rod going through my bead. So I chose to use silver. And you're going to notice that you really don't see it all that much. So you can absolutely use copper, or if you wanted to, you could use gold as well. But I'm going to go ahead and use silver, kind of do something a little different here today. All right, so I'm going to pinch with my round nose pliers right above there, and you can see that I have my loop sort of facing away from me. And now I'm just going to bend that backwards. And I'm just going to move my pliers in just a little bit. I want to get a nice size loop there. I'm going to bend my wire up and over the top. Rotate my pliers, bring that around to finish that little loop there, and I can go ahead and remove my pliers, come in with my flush cutters, snip off my wire there, and now I'm ready to assemble. So I can pick up my chain nose pliers, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up that little loop by bending it backwards just a little bit. I'm going to slide on one of these succulent charms and close that up. Now here's where you have an opportunity. If you wanted to make a longer earring, you could repeat that and you could add another little dangle coming off of that top loop there. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish off this earring because I want it to be nice and delicate. So I'm going to open up that ring, or open up that loop rather, slip on the ring of the succulent earring post, make sure everything is facing the right way, and you are all finished. So you can see that you're not really seeing a lot of that silver in there. What you're really focusing on is how glittery and pretty that bead is. So that's a little tip and technique that you can do. All right, I'm going to finish it up, and I'm going to do the second one here a little faster. But this is a really great, easy project that you can do and really make your own. We do have these succulent charms in gold and silver as well. So if that is something that you are looking for, you can head over to Beadaholique.com to shop all of the colors. And again, this is the Renewal collection from TierraCast. And I just love that they're so sweet and tiny and just really, really beautiful. All right, coming to that other side, opening that loop, slipping on the post, closing it up. And the last thing here, and I don't have any on my table here because I wanted you to feel like you could choose. Now this, you can see just in my fingers, is a very light and delicate earring. So you can use either an ear nut or you can use a bullet clutch back, whatever feels good for you and your ears to wear as your backs. All right, so that's it. That is how quick and easy this project is. Again, you can find everything here by heading over to Beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.